All administration is decision making means all administration is a conscious, deliberate activity, well thought of. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कोई रैंडम एक्टिविटी नहीं है, स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्टिविटी नहीं है, इमोशनल एक्टिविटी नहीं है. It is a well planned, well organized, evaluated, properly assessed activity, is it or not? तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिसीजन मेकिंग है इसलिए, क्योंकि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिसीजंस जो हैं दे आर नॉट इमोशनल डिसीजंस. Well, he was trying to say the same thing, that administrative decisions are basically factual decisions, they are rational decisions. And administration as an activity is not an emotional activity, it is not a subjective activity. It is basically a consequence of rationality. और जहाँ भी कुछ हमें करना है, wherever we have to act, wherever we have to do something, right, we have to make decisions. So you always have choices, but these choices are a product of your information, a level of your information. So administration में everywhere we are making decisions, and these decisions are based on conscious choices that we face. So as a system, if we are more aware, more informed, our decisions will be better, right? So साइमन जो है totally agree करता है कि भाई public administration's nature is scientific, and there is a part which deals with non-scientific aspect, that is politics. So see, public administration is what? The art of politics with the science of administration. Art of what with the science of how. That is what public administration is.